A Henrico County judge sentenced Erin Stratman to serve 3 years behind bars. That was the maximum she could have received under a plea agreement between her and the Commonwealth. Families that we spoke to outside of court after the sentencing hearing said they were satisfied with that decision. Standing in unison, the families of babies injured in the NICU at Henrico Doctors Hospital by former nurse Erin Stratman reacted to her sentence.
At this point, I was just focused on, ending this chapter and hopefully not ever having to say her name again.
Across the board, there were a lot of fractures, and she needed to be held accountable for that. And that's what took place today.
Until today, Erin Stratman has been living a life outside of jail. Today was the first time that, you watched her have handcuffs placed on her and she was taken away. What was that like to see that?
It felt good. I'm sorry. I'm sorry that comes off evil, but I now know that my child's abuser is behind bars or will be going behind bars, and I'm happy with that.
The maximum penalty for the 9 felony child abuse charges she pleaded no contest to in January, 45 years behind bars. But sentencing guidelines suggest a maximum sentence of up to 6 months total. Commonwealth's attorney Shannon Taylor negotiated with the defense that the county would seek a maximum sentence of 3 years in exchange for the pleas. Taylor previously told us she and the families agreed to that sentence because they knew there would be challenges with the case related to a lack of video evidence for some of the babies, the hospital's delay in reporting the abuse in 2023, and the care model at Henrico Doctors Hospital prior to 2024. Prosecutors said the hospital had no reliable system for tracking who provided nursing care to each infant. Already, we've posted the 3-year sentence. Already people are commenting saying that's not enough. It should have been more. Can you explain why you agreed to the maximum penalty of 3 years of incarceration in your plea deal?
It wasn't my choice that I wanted to actually do 3 years. That is not what I wanted to do. But sentencing guidelines, which is something that is utilized in the Commonwealth of Virginia, can give guidance to courts as to what is an appropriate sentence. And in this case, as unimaginable as it is, the sentencing guidelines was recommending 6 months for the abuse of 9 babies. So when coming up with a proposed, sentence, the maximum cap that we came up with, that was 6 times as much as what the guidelines offered.
5 parents of injured babies spoke during the sentencing hearing. They showed the judge the tiny diapers their babies wore in the NICU and the preemie clothes that were too big for them at the time, illustrating just how fragile their precious children were at the time.
I trusted her, and she didn't do right by my family.
Stratman addressed the families for the first time. Through tears, she told them she never intended to hurt their children and she was sorry. Her co-attorney, Ted Bruns, argued Stratman performed medical care poorly, but her demeanor in videos of her caring for the babies did not suggest the intent to harm. He requested the judge consider home confinement as opposed to jail due to safety concerns.
I know the jail's going to do everything they can to keep her safe, but it's as you know, the environment around this case has been different than just about anything that I've experienced in quite a long time.
Judge Richard Wallerstein denied the request, expressed the court's sympathies to the families, and said he hoped with time their children could help their parents out of the darkness. Perhaps an example of that, the mom of the first baby injured, Melissa Nelson, said she forgave Stratman.
Holding a grudge and holding that anger in my heart is not even worth it. It's just not worth it. So I forgive her.
Erin Stratman's lawyers told me it's possible that she may only serve about 65% of her sentence, depending on good behavior behind bars. In Henrico County, I'm Melissa Hippolyte for CBS 6.